Hey guys, it's Jumpy Riot. I'm so sorry, I totally started filming this without turning the camera on. So that's how I'm doing so far today. Usually like once a month or something, a good friend of mine, Allie, sends me makeup to try. And this time she sent me the Menagerie Feral Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. First off, I mean, like how gorgeous is this? This is an indie brand. She found it on Instagram and she said it just screamed my name. So she sent it to me. So there's 12 shades in here. We have 9 matte, 3 metallic, and 2 of them are pressed pigment. So it's the purple and the coral up here, or pinky coral, I guess. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what I can make out of this. There's a lot of things on here that counteract each other, so I'm gonna try to use what I can without blending it all together and just making a muddy looking smoky eye. So let's get into it. I just started already. I just did the yellow first. So now we're gonna go into the Wisteria shade here, which is one of the pressed pigments. I love this shade of like coral for an eyeshadow. So we're gonna go in with the, I think it's SL Miss Glam SB68 brush. I got this in one of my last Ipsy bags. It's actually quite good, I was surprised. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade. And I'm gonna overlap the yellow a little bit as well. That is beautiful, and you know what? I'm gonna keep going in a little bit more. I want this kind of corally pink to almost completely overlap the yellow. The wall that I'm hitting is that warm colors tend to counteract cool colors. So as much as I wanna use this deep green right here, I wanna use this one more. So I'm gonna use this on the lid, but I'm gonna keep the rest of the lid warm so it doesn't counteract each other. All right, so what am I doing? All right, so you know what? We're gonna go in with this purple now. So I'm gonna use my Sigma E25 for this, and again, this is also one of the pressed pigments. I'm gonna try going back in with this one again because this seemed to work pretty good with the other one, so we're gonna see if it'll work a little bit better with, yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna go in with my No Name ColourPop brush, and I'm gonna take that purple again. I'm gonna press this into the coral as much as I can, almost overlapping it. I'm gonna go in with that coral again, and I'm going to kind of blend the purple, coral, and yellow together. Let's put a cut crease on, and then we were going to go in with this amazing green right here. This is very Joker from Batman-esque, but that's okay. And when we're actually done doing everything, I'm gonna come back and do like swatches of all of them for you. All right, so let's pick up some of this green. Oh, that is beautiful. It's like a flower. I feel like a flower. And you know what? I think what I'm actually going to do is stop here with the green and put this other metallic in front of it. This is one crazy duochrome. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't mind saying so myself. All right, so I just used the green and then this one down here again, which is like a duochrome. It's like pink, and it actually has like a yellowish, almost like greenish duochrome to it. It's crazy. Let me finish the other eye off camera, the rest of my face, and then I'll swatch everything for you. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done. I think it came out beautiful. I did the bottom with, I smudged the dark green kind of closest to my lash line. I smoked it out with this really pretty bright teal, and I smoked under that with a very, very tiny bit of this, what is this? Wisteria right here, this peachy shade, just so it blended a little bit more. That's all I'm trying to say. All right, and I think everything worked out really pretty. I mean, they're all pigmented from what I could tell. The ones I used were all pigmented, and we are going to swatch the rest of them right now, so here we go. And now, I mean, obviously, if you've watched my channel before, I'm like the first to be like swatches are bullshit, but for the sake of showing you a palette that isn't very well known, I want you to see all the shades. And since I refuse to wipe my makeup off to use every single one, I'm just going to swatch them for you. All right, so we have the first row here. So right here we have Harmonia, Wolfling, Canis Lupus, and Alpha is this. These are 2 mattes right here. These are beautiful neutral mattes. I'm actually pretty excited to try them too. Second row is Pack Leader at the bottom, Allium, I think it says. Mariposa is the orange right here, which I thought it was red, but it's orange and it's gorgeous. And the yellow is, again, Night Eyes. Night Eyes. I don't know why I just did Night Ice. All right, and the final row is Wisteria, Fenris, Ivy, and I can't pronounce this word, so I'll just write it on the screen. Oh my god, that green is so incredible, but I'm so scared because it crumbles like crazy. So if you actually get this, or if you have it, Jesus Lord, be careful with that final green, because I could just see myself going into it too hard, breaking it apart, and there goes my fucking green. The greens do stain a little bit, I can see from here, but I mean, nothing to ruin your life, so that's always fun. Some kind of oil cleanser will take it off. All right, so that was it for the Feral palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. This is very heavy too, which is something I always feel like there was quality put into something, like the heavier it is. I don't know why I think that, but I do. And I think they have another one too called like Dragon Child or something. I'm correct about what I was looking at on Instagram. So yeah, that was it. I will leave the link to this product below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't make anything off it. It's just to show you the website if you'd like to see it. And Allie, thank you again so much for sending me this. It is beautiful. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.